Hi, everyone. Welcome to the last week, week 8. For this week, we're going to be looking at one of the bigger economic issues and a hot button issue in the last couple of years, which is looking at international trade. You notice the US is trying to be much more competitive with regard to international trade and our ability to compete with other global countries. Other countries are really making it very difficult for us with regard to competing in our economy. So we're going to be focusing on that one area this week in our analysis. For this week, you're going to be reading chapter 18. I have a couple interesting videos on the role of the trade deficit. You're going to be focusing on the discussion board topic and your ability to answer the questions with regard to your ability to understand and know economics in terms of trade deficits. You'll notice a trade deficit is a deficit that can be either good or bad, but it'll also make a lot more challenges for an economy to look at. You'll notice a trade deficit can tell us maybe the economy is doing well, but under certain conditions, trade deficits can also lead to stronger economic growth for other countries that are running that particular policy in our economy. So these are some of the challenges we're going to be facing this week, and we're going to try to analyze the role of a trade deficit on decisions that we have to make. We also have the faith integration paper. With the faith integration paper, you're going to apply economics to your personal and professional life. You're going to look at the worldview papers and make decisions on how faith will determine that. You're going to look at share key topics, reflect on ideas, and interest of these topics. And what questions are still related to that? It's going to be 6 pages long, double space, APA formatting, and you're going to look at your ability to really impact how different topics we've looked at in the course. And if you have any more questions, please let me know as I look forward to your effort.